Firmware is a type of software that is permanently programmed into hardware devices. It serves as an intermediary layer between the hardware and the higher-level software, controlling and managing the hardware's functionality. Firmware is found in various devices, such as smartphones, printers, and embedded systems, and it often contains instructions and data necessary for the device's operation. Unlike regular software, firmware remains stored in the device's memory and isn't typically updated as frequently. BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System and is a specific type of firmware found in most personal computers. It's responsible for initializing and configuring the hardware components during the computer's boot-up process. BIOS provides a fundamental set of instructions to the operating system to enable communication with hardware devices like the hard drive and keyboard. While modern computers often use UEFI in place of traditional BIOS, the term BIOS is still commonly used to refer to this firmware layer. It plays a critical role in the computer's startup sequence. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.